and welcome back to Sava's FAQ series. I'm Melissa Calton, and today we'll be discussing 3 of the most popular methods used when cutting stainless steel wire rope. In this video, we'll demonstrate that it's not as easy as just simply cutting the cable. This is an operation dictated by the ultimate purpose of the cable itself. The first method we'll discuss is mechanical cutting. Utilizing high-grade blades, this method is powered by either pneumatic or hydraulic energy sources. And these aren't just any blades, they're uniquely engineered to cut through stainless steel. Mechanical cutting shines when small tolerances are non-negotiable. Regardless of your industry, a fraction of an inch can be the difference between success and failure. This mechanical cutting method ensures you get the precision you need from your cable. But let's talk forces. The systems that are powering these cutting machines exert a level of force that's much higher than what you can manage with a handheld tool. Another point worth mentioning is the uniformity that mechanical cutting offers. When you're producing thousands or even millions of cut length pieces, consistency is key. Mechanical cutting ensures each cut is identical to the next, which can be crucial when these cables are used in critical applications like robotics or surgical systems. Next on our list is fuse cutting, often referred to as electrocutting. This method is commonly preferred, especially when your project requires a cut that's more than just clean, it needs to be fused as well. By employing a controlled burst of electrical current, the cable is not only severed, but the ends are simultaneously fused. Fusing is beneficial for applications that can't afford even the slightest fraying or separation of wires at the cut ends. Imagine scenarios like medical implants or aerospace components, where every detail counts. In these cases, fuse cutting stands out as the method of choice. What truly distinguishes fuse cutting is its unparalleled consistency and efficiency, which is achieved through comprehensive automation. From start to finish, the process is overseen by skilled operators who calibrate electrical currents for precise cuts. The automation extends beyond just cutting to include bundling and even packaging the cables for shipping. While hand cutting may seem like the most straightforward method of our cable cutting options, it's anything but simple. The challenges begin with the inherent properties of stainless steel cable, which are enriched with elements like chromium and nickel. While these elements contribute to the cable's strength and flexibility, it also makes it vulnerable to issues such as fraying or bird caging, an occurrence where the wires slightly unravel or deform from their original helical geometry. The manual nature of hand cutting adds a layer of complexity. Tools like stationary guides and measurement rigging become essential to achieve the exact design tolerances. The appropriateness of hand cutting depends on the cable's individual application. For less critical uses, the method may suffice, but for high-stakes applications, the risks often outweigh the benefits. Remember, the best cutting method is dependent on your cable's application. Whether it's supporting a static load or being used in a surgical system, the cutting method must honor the design and functionality of the cable. Thanks for watching. For a complete list of our products, go to savacable.com. Leave any questions or ideas in the comments. And remember, Sava has a full machining department that can custom manufacture just about anything. Need something you can't find? Let us know how we can help. Thanks!